Hi, Samantha. Thank you for your question. There are actually a few ways this works, and it just kind of depends on the situation and on the organization. In some cases, your manufacturer may tell you there is only a certain useful life. In some instances, that useful life is going to depend on the volume. And so, as a loose example, with running shoes, they usually last about 500 miles. So if you only run 1 mile a month, it's going to last you, your shoes will last you a really long time. But if you're running 100 miles a week, your shoes aren't going to last you quite as long. The other thing is our useful life may depend on how long we plan to use the machine. And so a machine may last for 10 years, but if we know in 8 years we're going to be completely switching the services we provide and we won't be able to use that machine anymore, then for us it would only be 8 years. And so we have to think about all of these things as we make that decision. But once we make that decision, we're kind of locked into it.